girl. I came down to give you guys a captain's update. Are you okay? Do you get sick? Do you get sick? Oh, baby. Yes. Okay. Oh. I think you guy, you ate something that maybe was yucky. Hold on. Okay guys, well now I'm rethinking my alligator skin seats. Vinyl might be pretty prudent. Oh, Jettie. At least you try to get off the edge. I don't think I'll be doing that. So I've been thinking, what am I going to do for an update? Well, an update's really just what's going on, right? So I'm going to give you a lowdown. Okay. Cleaned up all betters. Thinking just some dog food for you today. Thinking whatever you had yesterday you didn't like. Did not agree with you, huh? Maybe that hamburger. Yeah. Maybe the hamburger. I know you don't feel good. Yes. Yes. Look how pitiful she looks today. Oh, you don't feel good. You don't feel good. Yeah, she doesn't feel good today, guys. Okay, let me give you an update. Here's the kitchen. Yeah, this is much better than it was yesterday. This is the nav station. Still horrible. Horrible. Dinette, usable. Yeah, this area and the Chase Lounge, not usable. Not right now, but we'll get there. Okay, this cabin is not usable yet, but all of the grooming supply business is in the cabinet, which is perfect. It all fits in there. Yeah, if you didn't know, guys, we're going to be touring grooming salons, pet grooming salons around the world. I know. I'm excited. I am stoked about that. I love these little lights, light refractors. Usable. Master cabin. Showers usable in here. The camp toilet that my friend Carolyn got me. Thank you, Carolyn, because this has been a lifesaver. Back to poop issues again. No, total poop issues in the poop hole. If you've been following along when you open this, you're like, oh man, oh man. And you gotta lock this door. And I would say Jettie walked in here. So let me grab a towel. Apparently, I don't know. He wasn't feeling good. And just go with me to help clean up. If you don't want to see this, then I'll tell you when it's over. Probably don't want to see this. Probably just want to be like, yeah. Let you look up. I'll look down, you look up. Got it. Okay, it's not perfect. I know it's hard to see, but this room is usable. Not bad. Okay. Back on through. Oh. Turn this light off. And we're gonna have to start the boat today. Need to replace the battery charger. What I could do though is actually flip it on for a little bit. When we run too low, we're still at 24 volts. See if that goes up. See, that didn't move at all, did it? Might be moving up. Could turn that off and start the motors today too. We're not sure about that battery charger. I think it's going bad. Oh, I need to turn it off. Courtesy lights. Then we're going to take you out back. But this will be the next section. Clean it up. Get stuff stowed away. It's not bad. You can get on and off the boat now. You can get around the coolers, but you still can't set the hot tub up. Yeah, quite a few bins that way. Let's go to the front. Got the new washer and dryer installed. This is what really helped though. We got the dinghy and all the dinghy stuff up here. Got that off the bat deck yesterday. Got a couple of anchors set up here. Extra anchor. And then we got more bins to go through down here. But we've got everything kind of separated out. And yeah, right now we're kind of looking like this sailboat. Beautiful sunrise this morning. Just beautiful. But yeah, our main thing is gonna be actually just getting stuff cleaned up, put up, and taken care of. Got the new dock lines on. Those were about the best purchase. Those came off of Amazon. $54 for a set of 2 in 1 inch. We'll see how they hold up. Not sold yet, but I was not ready to drop $100 on each dock line. This light doesn't work, so we're gonna see about taking that thing off, and I'm not sure what we're gonna put there, but I think a third Durabrite. those Durham brights I had put on. By Scott up in Atlantic City. That was one of the first things I did, is started searching for those lights. But that's your update for this morning, guys. I mean, really, we're just cleaning and organizing, putting stuff away, and then we'll start on the outside of the boat and getting everything ship shape and cleaned up. But this is a long-term plan. Oh, and that fighting chair is for sale. If anybody's got a boat that they are looking for a beautiful teak fighting chair for. It's been garage kept till I bought the boat. No, I definitely do not want a fighting chair in the cockpit. I want the cockpit room. I don't need a chair to fight from. Gonna have a bunch of rod holders. They're not in right now. Just holes in the aluminum, but we'll get those installed. And as you can see, though, there's a lot of work to be done. And then to bring it back to its former glory is, well, gonna take a lot of man hours and elbow grease. But we're here to do it, guys. And then while we're doing it, we're gonna be fishing around the world and visiting grooming salons around the world. And the boat smells just beautiful with these beautiful roses. The lilies aren't open yet. Oh, there's one right there starting to open. Just gorgeous. See you guys later. And, well, fish on.